Where do most crashes happen? Car accidents happen everywhere, but certain places see far more collisions. Knowing where and why accidents occur helps drivers stay safe and understand their rights. When crashes occur, the legal landscape matters and guidance from a lawyer can make a crucial difference. In New York's mix of busy business districts, residential neighborhoods and tourist hubs, motor vehicle collisions are frequent. State law assigns fault based on driver negligence, road conditions and compliance with traffic regulations. New York's no-fault insurance system requires injured people to seek compensation from their own insurer first, but navigating claims is often complex. Distractions, such as using a phone, eating or adjusting GPS, can make drivers legally liable because they delay reactions and lead to collisions. Aggressive driving, including speeding and tailgating, elevates risk and can result in fines, license points and possible criminal charges. Failing to yield the right-of-way or making improper turns and lane changes also exposes motorists to civil liability and penalties. Because accidents can cause medical costs, lost wages, property damage and emotional distress, victims may pursue compensation for these losses. Crashes are most common in places where traffic density, road design and driver behavior converge. Urban areas with dense populations and constant traffic experience frequent stops and congested intersections that make collisions more likely. Intersections themselves, especially those with heavy traffic and complex layouts, are common sites of accidents because multiple road users converge and drivers must yield while remaining attentive. On highways and expressways, heavy traffic and high speeds create hotspots for serious collisions. Sudden stops, lane changes and varying speeds compound the danger. Bridges and tunnels are hazardous due to confined spaces and heavy traffic, while residential areas can be risky when narrow streets and high pedestrian activity coexist. In New York City, borough-specific patterns emerge. Manhattan's dense grid and tourist-heavy intersections produce many collisions. Brooklyn's mix of busy neighborhoods contributes to high accident counts. Queens sees crashes along major highways and in dense neighborhoods. The Bronx combines congested roads with pedestrian activity. And Staten Island, though reporting fewer accidents, has limited infrastructure and major thoroughfares that can quickly become congested. Driver distraction involves actions that divert attention from the road, including using mobile phones, eating or adjusting in-car technology. Aggressive driving encompasses speeding, tailgating and unsafe lane changes, behaviors that heighten both the likelihood and severity of accidents. Failing to yield means not giving the right-of-way at intersections or in areas with heavy pedestrian traffic, potentially leading to accidents and legal consequences. Improper turns and unsafe lane changes occur when motorists turn from the wrong lane, misjudge oncoming traffic or neglect to signal and check blind spots, actions that violate traffic laws and can cause crashes. Under New York's no-fault insurance system, injured parties may file claims with their own insurer for medical and lost wage benefits, but a lawyer can help pursue further compensation when another driver's negligence is responsible. Learning which areas and behaviors lead to most crashes allows drivers to adopt safer practices and reduce their risk. Should a crash occur, experienced attorneys at L Sanchez Law Office, PC can explain your options, handle insurance negotiations and seek fair compensation. Visit the law firm at 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372 or call 646-701-7990 to discuss your case and understand how this law firm can support you after a collision.